Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our brand new countertop dry display case. Okay, this is going to be one of our brand new styles. As you can see, it does have that curved glass display on the front. We also have glass on both sides and on the back. Okay, so the back does have two doors that you can go ahead and open up, and they're both glass as well. So before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and measure this unit out for you. I'm going to give you the exterior measurements. I'll also measure the inside for each section, okay? Starting with the length, you're looking at a total of 39 inches, 39. Front to back, total of 18 inches. And the overall height of this display case, 20 inches. 20 inches. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you the back. But before that, on the side, we also have a sticker with all the specs regarding this unit as well as certification. This display case is going to be certified by the health department. Okay, now on to the back. Starting with the plug. There is a plug for this unit. It's a standard US plug. Runs on 110 volt. Simply what the plug is for your LED lighting on the inside. Okay, so this unit does have LED lighting just on the very top. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and open up these doors. As you can see, you can also keep them open just like that. They stay open, and I'm going to measure both sections. Okay, as you can see, also it does have a wood base on both of these sections. Okay, starting with the top, front to back, you're looking at a total of 15 inches. Overall length will be 38 inches, 38. And the height, you're looking at a total of 7 inches, 7 inches. Okay, now bottom section, front to back, 16 inches. Okay, so the only thing that really changes is just the front to back. Obviously the bottom shelf or bottom section is going to be more bigger. Okay, it has more space in the bottom. Okay, so that's going to be a demonstration for this countertop dry display case. Now, if you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the exact price for this exact model. Now, if you have any other questions regarding this unit, you can also give us a call, and we'll help you guys out with those questions. Thank you for watching.